Starting around 05 November 2023, Bitcoin money in a real sense is exchanging at $240.67 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. BCH really has a complete market cap of $4,705,287,483 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of this in every way that really matters makes Bitcoin money, BCH, truly positioning at 19 in the digital currency market, which generally is very huge. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money most certainly be essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Bitcoin money a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will BCH value sort of outperform its untouched extremely high in an in every practical sense, enormous way? These essentially are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, showing how these sort of are our Bitcoin money cost forecasts for BCH's future in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $259.46, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $248.26. Which really shows that BCH generally has a complete market cap of $4,705,287,483, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,246,750, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, BCH can explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $285.43, exhibiting that starting around 05 November 2023, Bitcoin money certainly is exchanging at $240.67 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in very most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $214.92 in an unpretentious manner. The BCH cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $241.78, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $235.06 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is figured to truly arrive at a fundamentally the most minimal cost of $228.57, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a greatest cost of $253.53, with the especially normal expected cost around $239.77, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH, value estimate October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at a very least worth of $235.61, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $263.12, exhibiting how this for the most part makes Bitcoin money, BCH, truly positioning at 19 in the digital currency market, which certainly is very huge. The genuinely normal cost for BCH is truly anticipated to basically reach $244.56 in October 2023, which sort of is very huge. Bitcoin money value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Bitcoin money could sort of stretch around $275.35 in a very significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 in every practical sense is $242.94 with a truly normal cost of $251.90 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $285.43 in a very enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 is $248.26 with a typical cost of $259.46 in an especially large manner. Bitcoin Money passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost generally has shown an especially decent increment of 1.11% as of now in a significant manner. Bitcoin Money explicitly is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a by and large significant manner. The BCH in every way that really matters is down to nearly 2.03% in the all things considered most recent 7 days in a significant way. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for in every practical sense. Past sort of couple of days, the coin could in every practical sense have sort areas of strength for of in any case, we don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment. Showing how BCH sort of has a by and large complete market cap of $4,705,287,483, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,246,750 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the in every practical sense current cost with genuinely beyond 30 days cost history, it for the most part is seen that Bitcoin Money in a real sense has expanded 44.061% in its worth, which basically shows that Bitcoin Money exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost truly has shown a great increment of 1.11% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which by and large is very huge. The extremely normal kind of least cost for the month really is $130.31, while by and large greatest especially normal cost for the most part was $134.63, which for the most part is very critical. This suggests that this coin in a real sense is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for certainly long haul. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 45.24%, and the cost truly coursed from an in every practical sense least sort of normal cost of $125.38 to for the most part greatest normal cost of $134.83 in the in every way that really matters recent days incredibly. In sort of most recent 4 months Bitcoin Money fundamentally has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Subsequently, we basically imagine that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin Money in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which sort of is very critical. The coin generally is up by 57.81% with the kind of most extreme in every way that really matters, normal cost of the coin all things considered was around $103.49 and the essentially least exceptionally normal cost of truly was around $100.92 in beyond 4 months, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin Money Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will essentially be Bitcoin Money